Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap USDC to USDT in Metamask. So swapping tokens on Metamask requires network gas fees which depend on the blockchain that you are using. Like if you choose the Ethereum that is ERC20, then you need to have ETH in your Metamask account for the gas fees. Similarly, if you select BNB Smart Chain or BEP20 network, then you need to have BNB for gas fees in your account. If you select Polygon, then you need to have Pol in your account for the gas fees. So for this video, I'm going to select BNB chain, and after selecting your network, you need to make sure that you have enough amount available in your Metamask account for the gas fees based on your network. After that, you need to tap on this swap option in the bottom and then select the third option of swap. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this page where in the from section you need to simply just tap on this drop down menu and search for USDC. Once you have found it, you need to simply tap on it in order to select it. Then in the select a token, you need to simply tap on this option and you need to search for USDT. Now once you are able to find USDT, you need to simply tap on it and it should look something like this. Now you need to enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into USDT, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT. So you need to tap on the get quotes option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and wait for it until it shows you the estimated gas fees and bunch of other details. Now you need to tap on the swap option in the bottom and confirm the transaction. This way you will be able to easily swap your USDC to USDT once the transaction is completed. So if this video helped you out, give it a like, and if you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below. You can just subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.